Last year, the software development market was valued at $487 billion US. It is anticipated that it will grow to over $507 billion for 2021. The largest exporters of software remains India, China, Eastern Europe, and you can see here, Northern and Central Africa and Europe remain the largest importers for software developers, but the demand far outweighs the supply. Jamaica is uniquely positioned to take advantage of this growing need.
We connect and we innovate. And now they will know the new us. In this ever-changing, fast-paced, technology-driven world, we are ready to soar. The Amber Heart Academy will ignite the passion and creativity of our youth. And with technology as the driver of change, will seal Jamaica's fate as a global leader in innovation.
This initiative will see the training of young Jamaicans as software developers to create cutting-edge technologies that will be a benefit not only to their future, but a benefit to the nation as well, which is a joint effort of the Amber Group, the Heart NSTA Trust, the Hope Program, and the Art of Living Foundation. We mobilized the Heart recruitment process island-wide, and the response was overwhelming. This demonstrated to us from the very onset that this program was indeed a step in the right direction for our youth as well as for our country. We first conducted psychometric tests to determine suitability for the program, and then the shortlisted candidates were interviewed, after which a final selection was made. The aim of the Amber Heart Academy is to train thousands of young people over the next few years at satellite locations across the island. This initial phase is a pilot project where we have engaged 100 participants in 2 cohorts of 50. These participants will be engaged in an intensive and immersive 6-month training program taught by a team of highly qualified master coders from the Amber Group, after which they will undergo a 6-month internship program. This hands-on internship program will see them co-developing software programs alongside senior developers. At the end of the program, all successful graduates will be NCTVET certified and guaranteed jobs through the Amber Group. The first cohort of students have already settled in and begun their 1-year residential training program. Why residential? Because we want them to gain superior coding skills through an immersive learning environment, whilst also equipping them with the soft skills to change their outlook and mindset. In addition, this modality would enable us to keep the students safe during the pandemic and lead them to a successful career in the shortest space of time. The Stony Hill campus of the Heart NSTA Trust was a natural fit to provide a beautiful learning environment, adequate residential facilities, as well as fostering mutual bonding and support.
It also includes self-development through the Art of Living program, which is renowned globally and even undertaken by universities such as Harvard, Stanford, MIT, as well as locally by the students at the University of West Indies. With this approach, our vision is to see 20,000 Jamaicans engaged as developers within the next 5 years.
This initiative will provide a whole new world of opportunities for those participants and for the country. This new generation of coders would have left the program having gained not only technical skills, but the soft skills such as stress management, problem solving, and creativity, and an innovative mindset to transform the world and position Jamaica as the next technological hub of the region. With this partnership, a digitally transformed Jamaica won't just be a vision, it will be a reality, one code at a time.
I'm really honored to be a part of this program, to make my mark, not only in society, but regionally.